Greetings, my friend. It's great to be here with you once again. Today, we're going to talk about vegetable oils, and the topic is sunflower oil. This oil is well known and widely used as an edible oil, but it also plays an important role in skincare and body aesthetics. Pure sunflower oil is rich in linoleic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid. This type of fatty acid is considered essential, meaning our bodies don't produce it, so we need to obtain it through our diet or by applying it directly to the skin. It's crucial for skin health, helping to replenish the hydrolipidic mantle, which protects and maintains natural hydration. This oil has a slower penetration into the skin, which makes it glide smoothly. For this reason, it's excellent for more intense and prolonged massages, where the professional needs to spend more time working on a particular area of the body. Due to its structure being highly compatible with the skin's physiology, it can also be used as a base for essential oils in ultrasound procedures and dermotherapy. Another important point is that sunflower oil helps keep the skin hydrated for longer periods. It promotes humectation, which is when the skin retains moisture more effectively. This makes it ideal for longer treatments, where the oil needs to continue working even after the application is done. It also helps deliver essential oils to the deeper layers of the skin, enhancing the treatment's effectiveness. This oil is compatible with all skin types, but it stands out for dry skin. For oily skin, it may feel a bit heavy. In this case, a good tip is to mix it with a bit of avocado oil. This improves its penetration and leaves a lighter texture on the skin without losing its benefits. So, if you work with body sculpting massages or intense body treatments, it's definitely worth considering sunflower oil as one of your main tools. It's nourishing, regenerating, and delivers excellent results. There's the tip for you.